is Self-Care Friday, so typically I would be sharing something that has to do with business, but today I wanted to share something fun because we all kind of need a little bit of fun right now. So there are several institutions. I'm talking about museums, parks, big destinations that have changed the user interface on their website, so you can actually do some armchair travel and check out sites that you've always wanted to travel to. For me, a big part of my self-care is travel and learning and experiences by going to new places. I love living in New York, but it's not everything, and it's really important for me to see how the other half lives. Since we're stymied now and we can't do any travel, here are my top 3 websites for you to do armchair travel. Ready? All right, number 1 is the explore.org, explore.org. It allows you to do a virtual safari. You can go snorkeling in the Channel Islands, and it's an immersive experience in being surrounded by the fishes. I checked out all the sites that Forbes had listed, and this one probably has like the best experiential website, and it actually works. Some of the live streams don't actually work. Number 2, I really love the British Museum. The BritishMuseum.org has changed their interface of their website, so you can actually travel in time to different points in time. Maybe you want to go to 200 BC, maybe you want to go to 1940, and then you can pick from one of the galleries. Let's say I want to go see the Egyptian monuments, and you click on that, and then it gives an audio that you can listen to about what was going on in that time period, who was the artist, who was the sculptor, so on and so forth. Okay, number 3 is my favorite, which is Google Arts and Culture. Google Arts and Culture has basically gone to some of the biggest destinations in the world. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, the Eiffel Tower in Paris, the Grand Canyon, Machhu Picchu in Peru, the Sydney Opera House, and they've done like 360 photography of each of those destinations. So you can go in and manipulate the pictures so you can get a 360 view of the Sydney Opera House, what it's like to be inside, what it's like to see some of the murals. You can go to Machu Picchu and kind of climb up and down. Now you're only going to be seeing the apex, but you do get to see the mountains, and it's quite beautiful. So that was my number 3 pick.